రోడ్డు, రైలు, ఏవియేషన్ అలా 3 రకాలు ఈరోజు ప్రజలకు అంకితం చేస్తున్నారు గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానమంత్రి వర్యులు. టుడే ఈజ్ ది హిస్టారికల్ డే ఫర్ ద పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ. Honorable Prime Minister will lay foundation and dedicate to the nation several projects worth of 7,200 crores. వేలాది కోట్ల రూపాయల ఈ ప్రయోజనాల్ని ప్రజలకు అందజేస్తున్నారు. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से अनुरोध करते हैं कि वे रिमोट स्विच ऑन करके ये लोकार्पण करें. శిలా ఫలకం, శిల అంటే శాశ్వతం, అలాంటి శాశ్వత ప్రయోజనాలు కూర్చే పథకాలు అందించినందుకు మరొకమారు కరతాళధ్వనులతో ప్రధానమంత్రి వర్యులకు మనం ధన్యవాదాలు చెబుదాం. నౌ లెట్స్ వాచ్ ఎ వీడియో. లఘు చిత్రంలో ప్రాజెక్టుల గూర్చిన ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, అది చూద్దాం.
Futuristic vision, quick decision and fast deliverance has been the hallmark of our dynamic Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's 10 years of governance, which has transformed the infrastructure landscape of the country. It is Modi ji's guarantee that he will initiate the best citizen-centric infrastructure and programs to improve the ease of living of the people.
भारत सरकार ने तेलंगाना के विकास पर, यहाँ की कनेक्टिविटी पर विशेष ध्यान दिया. एक प्रकार से तेलंगाना आस पड़ोस के इकोनॉमिक सेंटर को जोड़ रहा है, आर्थिक गतिविधियों का हब बन रहा है.
Telangana, which is known for its rich natural resources, has been a partner in country's economic growth. Understanding its strategic importance, Prime Minister has initiated many infrastructure projects in the state. Today, Honorable Prime Minister is dedicating to the nation, inaugurating and laying foundation stone for 6 projects costing around rupees 7,200 crore. Projects being inaugurated by Prime Minister are 1,212 kilometer of Paradeep to Hyderabad pipeline costing over rupees 3,300 crores. It will make transportation of fuel safe and economical from Paradeep refinery to delivery stations at Visakhapatnam, Achyutapuram, Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh and Malkapur near Hyderabad in Telangana. This project will reduce logistics cost by rupees 672 crore per annum and carbon emission by 67,000 tons per annum. Another prestigious project being inaugurated is Garo at Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad, will serve as a collaborative research and development platform, joining forces with public and private stakeholders to make India self-reliant global leader in providing solutions, strengthening Atmanirbhar Bharat. Garo will accelerate innovation, boost expansion of Indian aviation industry, nurturing a safer, efficient and sustainable future for air transportation. Projects being dedicated to the nation are 2-lane with paved shoulder of Meriyalaguda Kodada section and 4-laning of Kandi to Ramsanpalle section. It will provide improved connectivity between Indore and Hyderabad and also reduce travel time between Hyderabad and Nanded in Maharashtra by about 3 hours, thus resulting in lower carbon emissions and logistics cost. Foundation stone is being laid for 6-laning of Sangareddy to Madinaguda section. These national highway projects will give boost to logistic, agriculture, industrial and tourism sectors, which in turn will generate employment and give socio-economic upliftment to the region. Railway project being inaugurated is doubling and electrification of 22 route kilometers between Sanat Nagar Maulali section along with 6 new station buildings at Firozguda, Suchitra Center, Bhudevi Nagar, Ammuguda, Neredamet and Maulali Housing Board. This will provide direct rail connectivity and passenger train services for the first time for the people of this region. Today, Honorable Prime Minister is also flagging off new MMTS train service between Ghatkesar Lingampalli via Maulali Sanatnagar. It will connect new areas in the eastern part of the city with the business and financial district in the western part of the Twin City region. It is a guarantee of Modi ji that in Amrit Kal, Telangana will be a story of immense progress with extraordinary infrastructure development.
As responsible citizens of our mother country, India, let us give big hand, Marokumaru, the visible government, కనిపిస్తుంది ప్రభుత్వం రోడ్లు, రైళ్లు, విమానాలు లాంటి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అభివృద్ధి రూపంలో. గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానమంత్రి గారికి ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తూ, నౌ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆనరబుల్ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ టు ఫ్లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎంఎంటీఎస్ ఫెసిలిటీ బిట్వీన్ ఘట్కేసర్ అండ్ లింగంపల్లి. వేదిక పైన మనం రైళ్లను చూడొచ్చు తెరపైన.
Jai.